Okay, remember our painfully slow hazard report from earlier? So slow. Even watching it's painful, isn't it? But let's see how that compares to voice.
Hi, Matt. How can I help?
I'd like to report a hazard.
Let's get started with the hazard report. What date did this occur?
Friday the 13th of January.
And what kind of hazard was it?
Yeah, there was a trip hazard.
Can you describe it?
There was a box left on the floor in front of the fire exit.
Was anyone else involved?
Yeah, Bob Jones was there.
Were any actions taken to resolve the hazard?
Yep, I moved the box out of the way into the storeroom.
Okay, thanks, Matt, for reporting the hazard.
So much faster. In fact, we're still going on our form. We're still typing. And what we're not looking at here as well is the fact that even to get to that form, we had to go to our laptop, our computer, download our app, and log in. Here, we've just picked up the phone. And what you'll also notice is whilst the responses on the voice there are still quite short, they're a bit more descriptive, and that conversational flow helps to get more information. So we now know Bob's full name, Bob Jones. Didn't get that in the form. We also know where that box has been moved to. It's in the storeroom. And that's because it's a lot easier to talk than type. So you can really get more information just by having that sort of conversation. But it's also important to note that voice is much more accessible. We don't have to go and log into our apps. We do just pick up the phone. And we just pick up the phone and make a call. And it even works on two-way radio. So no wasted time there trying to find your laptop, remember those passwords. Oh, which one was it? Just pick up the phone, file your report, and you're done. Simple as that. How quick is that?